Hey, how's it going? This is the Suzuki fa50. Just got it. It's got, you can see it's 7,364 in the speedo. Everything looks good, everything works. I'm gonna work on the carb today. It's not idling. And we're gonna see if we can clean it and get it to idle. It's looking really dirty here. You can see, pretty ugly. Yeah, I just got it. I paid $250. And we're gonna give it a rough cleaning with a toothbrush, some simple green. And we're gonna open it up with the JIS drivers and give it a clean. There we go. It's pretty rough and dirty here. Anything would make it better for the clean here. Low battery. The light's dimming or the steam cleaner. I want to see if it'll maybe make a difference here.